Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to always show the toolbar or top menu bar and dock visible on the Safari web browser while browsing with Safari. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and select System Settings. You want to go down to Desktop and Dock on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to disable the automatically hide and show the dock. So make sure it's toggled to the left to disable that. In order to do it for the menu bar, select menu bar on the left panel here. And where it says automatically hide and show the menu bar, click inside the drop down there. And you want to set it to never. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.